With the second string against the 23s, which was a good pace, high energy game.
Work there as a coach now.
Yeah, as you can imagine, Jake, it's been pretty dour after. I mean,
Thank you very much. Plenty more to come from Joe and Michael. But as you can see, the atmosphere.
As you've been reading, Maurizio Sarri, the manager of Chelsea, Unglian, Christensen and Emerson, David Luiz, and also looks like they're going to change round referee Alexei Kulbak. Marcus Rosenberg was at West Brom a few years ago, while Marcus Antonsen played more recently for Leeds, and so it's very definitely a prize worth pursuing. Malmoe are in the knockout stages for the very first time in their history.
Back five for them on this side with Pedro picking him up, dropping very deep at times.
It's caused a problem. They want the free kick on the edge and knockout.
Well, there's definitely contact there.
Barkley latching onto that. Good feet from him. Barkley from range. It'll be another corner. Luiz. Good looking ball through. Did Emerson handle that? It can't have. A long time to think about this game. Pedro cut back dangerously. Giroud with the flick on towards William. Reeks, the wide player on the left, trying his luck earlier on, took a deflection in a compact little stadium here. Barkley's got in behind. Giroud made the run to the near post and the flag's up. Again, they go for the short one, played towards the back post and just too far ahead of Bengtson, who'd come forward from the back.
Yeah, Bengtson was unmarked at the back stick there, Ian. Well-rehearsed corner, just overhit the cross. He's right in the back.
To the back post. Turn and the shot. Willian cutting inside dangerously and then laid back Willian to lay it in towards Giroud, who got something on. Willian. Giroud is the target. Comes to Giroud. And policed very carefully by Bengtson.
Bengtson did so well there. Just got his body between the ball and Giroud. Lovely ball from Willian. He tries to take it down. I'm not sure. He should have gone with the header, heading it back across to the far post here. Brilliant score.
Here comes the in-swinger. Barkley getting his foot to that one.
It's a good yard offside, David Luiz.
Emerson again.
I think you're up.
Beshiro, and he found Luiz again.
Because needs to drop in on him, stop him starting things off.
Here's Willian. And carefully policed. It's a goal kick. Willian thinks it should have been a corner.
Well, it looked like it should have been a corner from here. Maybe Malmoe would say they deserve at least.
This is a contentious one. Special corners a debate. That's Villaqueta. And the header. Nope. Rosenberg's challenge. It's Willian to play it in, and David Luiz. Ended, of course. Looking for the flick on away. Kovacic going through his range of close ball skills. You've seen that tonight.
Oh, there's an arm in the face there, Kovacic. I don't think he meant it, but the referee's given the free kick.
Yeah, you've seen that as a hand off. Well spotted, Nigel.
We'll just see here.
Just towards the near post and headed away in the nick of time.
They don't leave themselves open to the counter here.
Going to be a free kick.
Absolutely.
Pedro's ball in, and surely for Barkley, yes! Chelsea get the lead. Ross Barkley, right place, right time. Big moment for Chelsea in this of all weeks.
Yeah, right in the half an hour mark. Just what Chelsea wanted away from home. They've been in control of this game. And at this level, one mistake and you get punished, and that's what Barkley's done. Defensively, I think it's Bengtson who misses the ball completely. And towards Pedro, Pedro looking for the movement. Lovely ball in. Terrible. Barkley was lucky.
See if Christensen can here. He's going to try. It's like that deflected just for a moment. For Malmoe. Looking to get Antonsen in behind, and Rosenberg as well. Shirts forward here. Christensen's latched onto that, can't really get anything meaningful. It's across the face of goal, sometimes stays up. Windheim tries his luck, another block, and then thudded wide of the post by Traustason.
Well, it's a brilliant corner, the first one they've really whipped in, and I think they should have scored, Malmoe. Might have been Rosenberg.
Giroud inside, and then Traustason's shot rather scuffed it. There was a hint of an opening there for Malmoe.
Well, he's got to play it to his left-hand side. Reeks is coming onto that with his left foot.
Bit of drive coming from that midfield, though, from Malmoe. Traustason cutting it back. Corner kick. A little squall of pressure coming here from Malmoe.
Yeah, this is much better for Malmoe. Keeping the ball, pass and move, little short passes. And they've been dangerous in set plays, but this is good.
Bengtsson looking for the long ball in behind for Windheim, the right wing back. A lot of yellow shirts getting forward. Giroud's in the middle, just a bit too long for him. Giroud to Jorginho. Nice attack, the Azpilicueta to cut it back. Sweet football from Chelsea that time.
Yeah, really good football, and Azpilicueta getting forward down that right-hand side as he loves to do. Touch and cross, but good defending from Malmoe. Reeks
Got a chance to bend one, that's deflected. And taking no chances at all. On with the ball, Rosenberg's in here, is he? Just nipped away in the nick of time.
That was brilliant defending from the captain, Azpilicueta.
Comes the corner kick all the way out to Windheim. Nielsen with the challenge on Giroud, but it's gone. The other ball, Emerson, cut back, lovely attack from Chelsea. Good work that from Reeks.
Yeah, I think he's knocked the stuffing out of them, really. They're looking tired now.
Emerson plays go fetch. Towards the back post, and there'll be another. They might add another here. Barkley, fantastic save. He really was from Darlene there.
Brilliant save from Darlene, but he should score, Ross Barkley. Just got to side foot this past the keeper. Went for power, and the keeper got a touch on it. But again, good play from him. He'll link up with Jeff.
Willian, a little bit of grass in which to work. Cuts across the face of goal, and Giroud turns it in and hardly celebrates. Just deftly, 2-0 to Chelsea, as cool as you like from Olivier Giroud.
I think it just hits him and goes in the back of the net, but it's a brilliant counter-attack. And that's where pushing too many players forward, Malmoe, to set it all to the counter, and that's what Ross Barkley did brilliant.
Leave the space for Willian on the outside, and Willian does well. Goes on the outside, cuts it back. And Giroud with...
Towards the near post goes a long way, and then the volley, and deflected and wide. It was Traustason again, and Chelsea were living dangerously there.
Well, I think it's David Luiz just got a really important touch here as it comes back in. Out to the edge of the box, the shot comes in, it is.
Went through his party trick, Giroud lays it off to him. Some intricate passing movements. Azpilicueta, Pedro's in there, goalkeeper grabs it. Willian takes it quickly, Giroud! He's kicking him. Hazard. Emerson to cut it back. It took a deflection and that goes on and on. Barkley fell to him again. Pedro deflected and wide. Corner kick.
Again, really good play down that right-hand side from Chelsea. Barkley comes in. I just wondered if he could have hit it as it's laid for Kovacic. Hit it there, bend it for that far corner, takes the touch. Not a great ball to Pedro, deflected out for the corner. But it's all one-way traffic at the moment.
Yes, one. That would be something else. Rosenberg's played a lovely ball in, and Christensen here has made it 2-1. There's the goal they were looking for. Malmoe. That's brought the house down here, and Chelsea do concede. Anders Christensen with a vital strike for Malmoe.
Brilliant run from Christensen, had the composure and the finish as well. And it was Rosenberg who forced the mistake. Here, Christensen's got to deal with this. Rosenberg got to deal with this. Luxembourg comes inside, slots it. Kovacic is too slow. Doesn't get back.
Haven't used him much, to be honest. Across the face of goal, Giroud attacking it again on the...
What happened in the build-up to this game, what's coming in the future, this was a huge result for Sarri. A decent performance, a good performance, a performance and a result that you'd expect will be enough now to get through to the last 16. But more importantly, it stopped a lot of defeats away from home, and they can look forward to Monday now, a big game in the FA Cup against Manchester United. So I think